Welcome to SMF Street, stockmarketpunting.com. We already did the Autodesk earnings. Now we're going to see what we can do as far as getting some of these trades. Autodesk came all the way back down to 28.15, up to that 27.45, up to that 29.50. But right now we're going to deal with NVIDIA Corp. They're the ones that I don't see how they couldn't do well, but we'll find out. I mean, what did the people do to this company that run it? I mean, I've got their graphic cards in my computer, and so do a lot of other people. I'm getting a little bit of action right now. I'm just getting a little bit of a print, but I don't have a live report. I'll come back when I get that knee jerk and get that buy in there. SMF Street, home to Main Street, earnings on NVIDIA Corp. Now, we got a big drop right now on NVIDIA Corp, and we also have some $8 puts. Look at that big drop. I don't have a headline number. If it drops below $8, we make money. Oh, yes. NVIDIA Corp reports Q3 EPS of losing 34 cents versus losing 23 cents. Revs 0.2 million versus 1.25 million. That's not the right information. I'm sorry, disregard that information, please. NVIDIA Corp, that is not the right numbers. They just popped it off the low, Scotty. That was a buy. All right, NVIDIA Q2 non-GAAP EPS of 3 cents versus 11 cents. That's light. Thomson Reuters consensus revs 811 million versus 831 million, and they're light. Now, this is the true NVIDIA earnings. Those last numbers that I gave out were not the right numbers. Once again, NVIDIA Q2 non-GAAP EPS 3 cents versus 11. That's an 8-penny miss. Thomson Reuters consensus revs of 811 million versus 831 million. All right, NVIDIA GAAP EPS negative 25 cents versus positive 11 cents. So that's why you got this reaction down here, but the stock has been sold off really hard. We were just right there at $8. You could see that pop, and I'm going to get more into the earnings report on the next video. So basically, I will get into the numbers specifically as to what they mean. And I do apologize on that one set of numbers there. That wasn't NVIDIA, but the ones that I just read off and clarified are. So that big gap down, that's what they do, and they pop that thing. Okay? They're losing more money. So once again, we'll just see what they got to say. That was a nice little hit off of this $8 drop, and they've taken it all the way back up here to that neckline. And if anything fails and we have the conference call that comes out, that could be a good short back down.